So thank you. First of all, thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to know about the today's launch and the plan for from your side for the customers. So can you share what you're launching today and how important for you?
Yeah. First of all, thanks for coming, Rajiv. It's a pleasure to have you. Today we are launching three new products from business communication. First is our digital wireless. The second product is TeamConnect Ceiling, which is medium, and the third one is TeamConnect Bar.
Okay. So can you tell me what all these three products have different features on that?
Yes. So starting with EWDX, this is the most advanced digital system in the market, wireless system. So if you see in terms of bandwidth, because if you see most of the frequency today in India is so choked, or even globally for that matter. So this is a system which is having minimum bandwidth in terms of, it can accommodate maximum channels. So to put it in simple words, you can accommodate up to 293 channels in a short bandwidth. So this is something impressive, and we are the only company to have this. Coming to TeamConnect Ceiling Medium. So before this, we have another product which is TeamConnect Ceiling 2, which is already the market leader. So this is a 2x2 tile, which is used typically for an application of 800 square meters and 80 square meters.
Right.
So 800 square feet. So we also got this thing from our end users saying that why don't you do something which is for a smaller room, a medium room. So we came up with TeamConnect Ceiling Medium, so which caters for 400 square feet kind of area. And this is again an extension of TeamConnect Family. So what we are building is the entire set of products which come under TeamConnect as a family. And then the next product is the TeamConnect Bar. So if you look at the unified collaboration market, people are also looking at video, which is clubbed into audio. So after 8 decades, this is the first time Sennheiser is getting into the video domain. So audio, definitely we are a legendary brand. So we are looking at, how do we bring in video? So the first offering from Sennheiser business communication segment is the TC Bar. So in this, we have two variants. We have the small one and the medium one, catering to different requirements. So the biggest advantage what we have here is, if you see, it's got a Dante. Dante is the easier way of connecting today. Everything is on a network. So we are the first, UC bar which has got this feature. So why do we have this? If you need to connect our TeamConnect family together, it can be done with this. So you can, a typical room like this, which is a boardroom, you need to extend this. So you need to have an additional microphone. So you don't need any additional devices. You can plug it. You can put a TeamConnect Ceiling Medium or a TeamConnect Ceiling 2 as an extension microphone. So this is possible with the TeamConnect family.
Correct.
So these are the three products what we launched today.
Okay, so we have seen kind of traction which is gaining post-COVID, especially these kind of solutions. So how do you see the brand is placed in position in the Indian market, and if you can share some trends you see in the CTO or the IT people who buy for their organization, what are the trends, what they are looking for?
Yeah, globally, if you see BizCom as a category is the fastest growing. The reason being, today everything is about hybrid learning. It is about collaboration.
Right.
So in India, in particular, India used to be always outsourced market for your call centers or service related. So going forward, or what is currently happening is we have been identified as a center of excellence. Large corporates want to set up their systems in India. They want to have their offices in India. So this is a big opportunity for us. And if you see the amount of greenfield projects that are coming up in the government domain, so large convention centers, so they also need to collaborate there. So the amount of convention centers in the last 5 years that's come up. If you see educational institutions, we had one IIT or two IITs, four IITs for the last many years. Right now we have 15, 20 IITs. It's the same story with All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, or the IIMs. So these are multiplying, which means we need to provide solutions there. So we see this as a huge opportunity for the brand. And we are leaders because of the quality what we deliver, and we understand this requirement very well.
Right. So you are having a kind of legacy which you're talking about. The IIT
Yes.
and the medical institutes are your customers and using such
Yes.
these products. Moving to, because the product launch is one part which you're doing today, and I see a lot of partners are there. So how do you see the bond going between you and the partners, and how they are playing a very crucial role for your success in India?
Yeah. Like I always say, when it comes to a B2C market, it is that you have, endorsees or people taking the product. So I look at in B2B,
Okay.
they are our
Brand
endorsees. They are the
Yeah.
brand ambassadors who are taking our solutions to the end users. So they start with telling the customer this is a solution, and then they do a proof of concept. If you see 9 out of 10 cases we win in the ceiling tile A and B shootout, purely because we do proof of concept.
Okay.
So we tell the customer, and today the end user will not even tell their colleagues what brand is this. So they want to keep it brand A and brand B, and they would ask them, okay, which one did you like? So in 9 out of 10 or even 10 out of 10, they say, okay, we want this. That is how we have done a lot of prestigious projects. So if you see the university project of KIIT Kalinga thing, we have done almost 150 classrooms. We started with only 4 classrooms. Today we have done 150 and 50 more in the pipeline. So that is the trust the customer places. One is the product and the people.
True. So means the service is very important area.
Yep.
Because selling solution, as you said that your brand ambassador are your partners, so
Yes.
they are facing the customers.
Yes.
So how do you have a confidence, your partners have a confidence on you that though the product is quality is super, but if in case they are facing any challenge, how do you help them?
Yes. There are 2 things to this. One is, we also collaborate with complementing brands globally.
Okay.
So we make microphones, but these microphones have to go into a DSP, then it needs to be reinforced through a loudspeaker outside. So
Okay.
we work with these complementing brands. This is very important for the end user to get a complete solution. So we have many of the APIs that are built for complementing brands, and these are global brands. So when we collaborate with these global brands and take it to the customer, he feels very confident that Sennheiser is not coming just to sell a part of the solution. So we know that entire solution is given by the integrator,
Right.
but there are brands which are backing them. And if you look at reliability of the product, we have hardly any failure rate if you see our tile or the microphones. So, but we have 3 service centers spread across India when it comes to any product failure. In terms of technical support, we have a team of technical application engineers who tell them how to use the product, how it needs to be connected for the best optimal results.
Right.
So that is something we take care, one on the application side and one on the support side. Both.
Yeah. So Naveen, because there is an event, I'll just leave you with one more comment, which is about the opportunity. Okay. The partners. Do you have any criteria you can share with us? These are the partners we are looking to associate who are into this domain and can have a good time together.
Yeah. If you see the geographically how we are positioned, so Delhi works almost 80% on the government projects. So the partners here don't work on any project in Bangalore.
Right.
If you see, Bangalore is more 60 to 70% working on the corporates. So
Okay.
the partners don't come here. So we identify partners purely based on their
Geography.
the geography and what is their expertise.
Okay.
So some would not know how to work with an IT. So today we need partners who work with IT and AV together. So the integration has already happened. We were talking about it in the last decade that everything would be on IT, which is already happening. So
True.
if you see any of our products today, they talk about security, and the decision maker is now the IT person more than the AV person in most of the corporates.
Correct.
So that is already coming. So
Right.
each area, each geography has a different kind of people who work. Even the consultants are different. A person who is in Delhi designing government projects to a consultant who's in Bangalore designing a corporate project has a different thought process altogether based on the customer requirement.
So I'll leave with you one more message,
Yes.
which is directly to your customers who are using your products. What is your message for them about these new launches?
Okay. So it's the trust what they have built with the brand. So we continue to deliver innovation, reliability, and they are partner with us in our business, and we grow together.
Thank you. It's a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.